Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a really cool 7x16 we have in stock. This one's a 2019 Cargo Craft, again 7x16, insulated windows, AC power cargo trailer. This one's in the Blackout Package, gives you guys an all black exterior. You've got the black diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom here, as well as the V-nose guard, which is great for rock protection. Extended triple tube tongue with this unit as well. Side door does have double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar on there. And then you guys can see you've got the really cool LED light bars off the sides. These are great party lights. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, black diamond plate fender. And then again, this one is equipped with power. So we've got an exterior GFI outlet right here, conveniently located next to that side door. Here's a better shot of your windows. We'll look at that more in a second. You do have stabilizer jacks underneath the rear of this as well, and a rear ramp door with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close. The rear ramp door. We just got snow and it's really muddy around here, so we apologize. Some of the trailers are dirty on the inside, but wanted to get them out to you guys. Here's a better shot of this side of the trailer. So again, you've got the rear ramp door, spring assist close, and then the really cool black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb right here. Ties everything in nice together. Gutters as well over that side door and the ramp door. And then this also has two LED load light spotlights off the back. These are great. You guys can be able to drop your ramp, and the switch for that is right here. So you guys can immediately get some load light and see what you're doing. 7-foot interior height with this unit. You do have insulated walls, insulated ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Awesome performance Nudo floor. This is an amazing floor, even though it's a muddy mess right now. It's super durable on top, which is this black surface that you guys see, and then underneath is Maxx. Maxx doesn't absorb any water or moisture, and that's also on the underneath side of the trailer. So this floor is going to last you guys a lot longer than what a standard wood floor will. These are two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens right here across from each other. They are tinted. You guys can lock them. They also have screens. 3 LED interior puck lights. These are great. Bright little lights, are really efficient, and they do have individual toggle switches on them as well. And then you also have two 4-foot LEDs across the ceiling, as well as a Maxx Air roof vent here in the back. This does have the bubble cover over it, so you guys can have it open, not worry about it leaking water in on your stuff. And then let's talk about lighting options. We do have 2 sources of power in here for you guys to be able to hook up to. We do have, first we'll talk about this, the battery with your battery box and a charger. This is a great addition to trailers because you no longer have to be plugged into a vehicle to have lights. So your interior puck lights, these little guys, those really cool light bars and your load lights are all going to work right here off this battery. So you guys can pull up to the campsite, not have to fire up the generator. You can unhook from the trailer and be able to see what you're doing on the interior and exterior with those lights. Now we do have 30 amp service as well. So you guys take this cord, pop it right through that little cord port, go into your generator and extension cord, however you're going to power up the trailer. And that's going to power up your 4 interior outlets. There's 3 here in the front and another one here at the rear, as well as that exterior GFI outlet on the outside. That's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys do have the ability to heat and cool. And then it's also going to power up these 2 4-foot LEDs that are across the ceiling. You guys are going to have awesome light in here and on the exterior. This trailer, you guys aren't going to have a problem at all with light, with being able to see, because you've got lots of different options there as well. 4 D-rings in the floor, so there is some tie-down points here ready to go. And then you guys can see you've got light switches here as well, which is going to work the party lights, the puck lights, as well as your 4-foot LEDs on the ceiling. Backside of the RV lock gives you guys this piece, which is a lock, a latch, and a set of keys, so you can actually come in and lock the door. And here it is. You have about a 5,000-pound payload capacity with this unit, and this trailer does measure 16 feet of total length. So you've got 16 feet from the tip of the V right there to this back rear ramp door. 3-year factory warranty, and as always, we would love to earn you guys' business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. You guys can always check out our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We also ship, so give us a call. We'll get you guys a shipping quote and get you your trailer. Again, 303-688-8485.